Okay, hey guys, thanks for the 500 subscribers. This is a little special something. This is gonna be so
Not really,
fun.
thank you for the 500. Wait, crap, let me check the thingy right real quick.
549.
At 10:52 p.m. we have...
Remember,
Crap, my
crunchy love
internet's not
everybody.
working, but fuck it. We have 500, so thank you a lot. It means a lot.
Oh shit!
And everyone else. There's Danny in the
Oh,
background.
but you guys here, I'm gonna give you a tip every more. If you guys keep this up, I'll give you a tip. So first tip, fun, fuck your nigger.
Fun.
Okay, we're gonna be playing White Noise Online, which is basically Slender.
The poopin' poop John Ramen looks like
yeah, I'm just gonna put that out before we start. Because if anyone gets confused with tits, it's probably Christian. Just gonna put that out. Disclaimer: the all poop looks like tits. Okay, let's start this. Yeah. How do I start it?
You just start.
Oh, there we go.
Let's start. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Where's Zane?
As you can see, it's just me, Luis, Christian, and Zane. Oh, Danny couldn't make it because no.
I know. Very good.
Okay, flashlight, run.
Sorry, guys.
Like,
oh crap! It's freaking Velma.
I'm Sarah. That's her name.
Sarah.
Hey, I love
Zane.
Zane. Ew! Zane's face is just like all concentrated.
Okay, guys, where do we
Okay, let's
go?
all follow Zane.
Just having an orgy.
There he is.
I'm trying to get on
That's weird. I'm Viola.
Papa, what character are you?
I have no idea. You don't have freaking black one.
Oh shit, dude! I see him.
Really? Where?
He was like, oh, never mind.
Hi, Luis. Hi.
Follow.
One more.
When have you ever seen a movie?
Not a bunch of statues.
After that game, can I play?
First doggy style.
The first one to die has to switch with Danny.
Screen is going off static.
I don't know what
That can't
kind
be
of
Paul.
statue
That can't be
is this.
Paul.
Does anyone know what type of statue is this? It's like a doggy position.
I'm getting a motorboat all over.
This is just age.
I wouldn't motorboat that. Hey, is this a tape recorder?
You guys see the turn off the lights thing? It's from the bottom of
Oh, nipples! Oh crap, he's over there!
This one's Slender.
Move out! Autobots, move out! Move!
He's over there!
I told you! What did I tell you guys?
Oh, we died!
What did I tell you?
Died!
I'm scared, I can't see! The freaking flashlight's almost out of battery. Flash it! Flash it! Flash it! Flash that light! Flash that light! Oh crap, someone's me! It's probably me, even though I think I'm a male. Maybe it's gone.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Looks like a giant floating nipple.
You guys are like spinning so slow.
I'm gonna turn one more time, and if it's still there, I'm gonna get shit Oh crap! Freaking pants, man!
Wait, you should drink this guy. Wait, Amber Alert.
Amber lamps? What?
I can see
I'm freaking scared.
form.
I gotta try to do an ancient form of
I think the dog is threw up.
running
It's all
away.
up to you now.
Oh, balls!
You still have a flashlight, even when we're dead. I just don't get it.
I'm running away! You are gonna face my fears! Where are you? Where are you? I will find you and I will eat you! I'm freaking cannibal. Ah crap! And I'm gonna eat you! You look like a white semen stain. It's a punch!
Jordan, fuck you.
I was killed by a white semen stain.
Who died first? April
I
Cole
did.
round 1
It
had
was probably a black person.
We're
in
so
memory
bad.
of Crunchy Fluffy.
Oh yeah, MVP right here, and I was freaking. I don't know what I am. I'm Fred.
This swap
I got the most. I got the most.
green.
Oh.
It's too. Where should you scream for?
Let's just go nuts in circles.
No, I probably won't go in a circle.
We're just shit up around.
The mystery crew goes on. We're trying to get an orgy in that one spot. Auto bots, roll out! I don't know what the crap happened to. We're going the same path.
That's where everybody just died.
I'm like, oh crap! I'm a face off here, motherfucker!
Can I play now?
Who died? Didn't die. I don't know who's freaking brushing up against my anus hole. I'm trying to get the
Christian's like
Oh, it's
giggling.
online, everybody.
Okay, that was the first game. Let's try a different
That was the
one.
first.
What's up with this fat guy again?
Should you like end right now? Make this like episode 1.
Oh, where's the one with the... This one! Oh crap.
Dude, wait,
What?
Depending on you don't see your pants.
Easy. I'm not about that life. Okay, ready, set, go! Okay, this is good.
Everybody,
It's
next box live. Go search up. Marketed Bump 47. He's faggot who is gay.
What?
I'm just gonna wait until it's late, and I'll get
Jacket is dumb.
We were thinking the
Wait, who
exact
am I
same.
Jack off,
following?
jump.
Probably me. Crap, there's a freaking
So
fat
dark.
girl. She's wearing a bubble vest. Best
I
bubble
can't even
vest
see your
ever.
face in this night.
Looks like you're already dead. You look like an old woman in a bubble vest. There's Velma over here.
Yeah, you got a nose
Yeah,
job.
it's fine.
Look up in the sky. It looks like it's barely dawn. And then it's darker.
Looks like we're in the it looks like we're in the space-time continuum.
Guys, follow me.
Okay, follow me.
We just
That's
split up.
not
And we didn't
me.
even know it.
Oh, Christian's Velma.
I found you! Oh crap, this is me. Who's that?
Guys,
Why is
I'm
everyone
following-
following my anus? Run!
Very much so.
Everyone just follow.
I've got the fullback!
That rock looks like my thing.
God damn it.
No, it doesn't. Oh shit. It looks like the monster took a huge jump and then this is what
Hey guys, let's walk so they don't get too easy. Like, you know, the cartridge.
I'm happy. Not a sign of death.
Oh, died all of a sudden.
Yeah, dying is for queers.
Hey guys, catch up. Why is it always the blonde who falls?
I found a hinky place. This is where I.
Whoa, Christian.
Crap, I lost you guys! Don't leave me, please! Oh,
Yeah, I found it. Wait, let's get it. Fuck you.
we all just hang each other?
How do you get it?
What the shiz?
Yeah, that's the press A.
This freaking noose is in my way. Just gonna stick my head into it.
Guys, look at it.
Got what? Oh, there's this one
Hey,
chick that looks
Hey, look, take a picture!
For a second there, it looked like Paula was reading. Guys, are you following me?
I think I see him! That's a tree.
Dude, there's some shit that looks like a chick.
Guys, follow me.
you.
I-
Don't mind.
Oh, dude, oh no!
Where are they supposed to go anyway?
Hey guys, I found a pine tree.
What if there was this multiple?
Pine tree,
Wait a second. Where's Zane? Where's Louise? Wait, where's Polo?
I found a pair of
Wait, where's
balls.
Polo?
We're like
He's
behind.
my
They're
Polo.
all
No, Polo isn't here.
I found a giant.
Where's the
Raise it! Raise it! Oh crap, it's just a dangerous to go along. Help me! Help me!
Christian, you're just going.
Crap. Let's have a heart attack.
Okay, we lost Paulo.
Well, it's just me and the hangy place, you know.
Oh wait, you're in the hanging place?
Oh, there he is.
Don't look at me, I'm
You didn't
ugly!
get grabbed by the guy.
I'm too
Oh
ugly.
shit. Oh my god!
What the fuck?
There he is! Fuck! Run away!
Oh, don't look at me! Don't look at me! This is my ancient ritual! Pinka, chinka, pinka, tunka, tunka, chinka, tinka. See, look, I scared it away!
Hey, look, you're dead.
Ah, crap, I just scared it away!
Corpse. You know, it's fucking swallow. You know, like a
Pinka, pinka, chinka, tinka, pinka, chinka, tinka. Oh crap, I see it!
He's around there, watch out.
Chinka, pinka, tinka, chinka, pinka, chinka, chinka, pinka. Christian, are you still okay? If you're dead and I find your body, I'm just gonna rape you. What the fudge is this?
tree.
Pinka, pinka, chinka, pinka, pinka, chinka, pinka, chinka, pinka, chinka,
I found it! I found it!
pinka, pinka, chinka, pinka, pinka. Ah, it's right there! Retreat! Going in! Guys, I'm going
Will
in!
you guys die?
How do you knife in this game? Oh crap, it looks pissed.
Yo, pull out your shit in this game.
I spy with my little eye a white semen stain. Oh crap, it's raping me.
We died.
Dead.
We both died at the
Again?
same time.
Just have
You're
to
really
look at
bad
the
at this
semen
game, you know that?
In memory of all of us.
stain. Next one.
Yeah!
I thought
Yeah, boy.
MLG white noise.
369.
Yeah.
We're so mature.
Why do I keep on screaming that many seconds? Oh,
Watch the replay.
Let's watch this film. Watch the ball go into the
Oh, we're
hoop and
actually
then I go over there.
Not even move.
Oh, yeah, you guys keep following me. I'm trying to run away from you, bandits. I am dramatically and then I go like, and then I get scared so I run towards them. I like that elevator.
my phone just...
We should join.
Your voices are loud. Oh crap, everyone died. I should just like trying to shove his face into my anus hole.
Just look at traffic.
Well,
That was our 500 subscriber team time.
Yeah.
Not team times.
That was really bad.
Ping pong.
Yeah,
Sorry, guys.
yeah, I don't think we're gonna do that again.
Sorry guys, we suck. But you know, it's for the rules.
Now we need Danny. Who died first there?
Okay, that was the 500 subscriber special. It was like
Yeah.
those. So yeah, have fun.
He
You
did.
know, nightmares and stuff.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Badonkadonk!